Hello Jenny, how do you make this bubble in your slime?
Yeah, if one just now I cannot make, but this time I can make. I will show you. So we need to make like this, and so we need to make like this. Woo. It's gonna be pretty. We can make like this. So now I can make like this.
Oh, the bubble coming.
Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Is it beautiful?
I think so.
If you think beautiful,
But can you make the big bubble?
Yeah.
Bigger than this?
Yeah. If you think it's beautiful, click like. Now I'm gonna make big bubble. You need to make like this. Whoa. Is it big bubble?
Wow, it's bigger. I see the bigger one.
Yeah. If you like our videos, please subscribe and share our videos. Thank you.